Activist Okiya Omtata argues that the 5-judge bench cannot be trusted to hear the case and arrive at an impartial decision. On the second day of the hearing of the case, in which Deputy Chief Justice Kalpana Rawal and suspended Judge Philip Tunoi have challenged their retirement, Omtata told the judges that they have already expressed their bias on the matter. Arguments that were supported by Judicial Service Commission's lawyers Charles Kanjama and Paul Mwite.
Of these 5 judges who are necessary to constitute quorum, if any of yourselves is considered to have a direct conflict of interest, then our humble submission is that the court should decline to take up the appeal on the basis of Article 24.
The Republic of Kenya should and must have a fully constituted Supreme Court with a full complement of 7 judges, none of whom has got a cloud hanging over their heads.
That's a big statement.
The matter sparked a sometimes heated exchange between the judges and the lawyers.
The Supreme Court will always have 2 members in the JSC. There are some of us, as you've said, who are in court with the JSC, and they shall be. Are you suggesting that in a case where JSC is a party, that therefore, in future, that this court cannot sit?
And these people are saying we have certain fundamental private rights, and we want this Supreme Court to decide on this question because we are not satisfied with the way that this matter has been determined before. Is this matter so insignificant that we should use all kinds of excuses, technical and otherwise, to avoid deciding this question so that these private people have their rights thrown out of the window and there's no place where they will go?
We are dealing with exceptional circumstances here. This is not an ideal situation.
If you shut out the applicant from coming to this court, and she is dissatisfied with the judgment of the Court of Appeal for many reasons, you will have occasioned an unimaginable magnitude of injustice.
The judges are expected to make a ruling on Omtata's application, as well as Rawal's objections to Chief Justice Willy Mutunga's decision to overturn Justice Njoki's earlier ruling before the case goes to a full hearing. Esther Kahumi Makori, Citizen Business Center.